patient with us, huh? Where are we going? Are we going through the door? Or are we turning around? Okay, you gotta press the button. Okay, hold on. We gotta be patient. Hold on.
Need to sit for a sec? It's okay. You're going to have to rest a little more than normal.
Mr. Ethan, you are just too strong. You know that? You're just too much. Here, can I hold on for a second? Let me get my arm better underneath here. There we go. Now we're just rocking. Probably could have put a shirt on it. See?
That was small in comparison.
Half naked boy walking down the hallway. The half naked boy walking down the hall. You want to sit for a second? You want to sit?
Okay.
Are you okay? Okay. So we're going to get run over by the lunch cart. We're hogging the whole hallway. Are you going to sit? Okay, take a sit.
Here's a chair.
Oh, good job. Are you hurting, Ethan?
Okay, in a minute. Let's rest a minute. Let's rest a minute. Too ambitious. 1, 2, 3.
I think they're going to go back and
We're not doing you.
We're going to make it all the way. We're going to go through these doors and make it all the way in a big circle.
You're going to make a one complete loop, huh?
We're going to make it complete loop, aren't we?
Nice and tall. Show me tall. Straight legs.
Ethan, good job. Look at you.
Good, Mom. Straight legs. Straighten them legs out, buddy.
All right, hold on. Let me open our door.
No, I think you straighten them legs out, buddy. You'll be eyeball to
Nice and
eyeball
tall.
with Mom.
Nice and tall. Straighten them legs.
Straighten legs, straighten legs. Let's see that nice tall back.
Oh, yeah.
Nice tall back. Woo. Oh,
Come with me in here.
Oh, wow.
we're getting close. Are you doing okay? You want to take a seat?
Who wants to be ready?
Nice and tall. We're almost there. Nice
Good.
and tall.
Yep, nice and tall.
Really good
Straight
steps.
back.
Straight back. Good steps. You see our room? We're almost there. You're running out of steam. You got to make it a few more steps. Oh my goodness. Oh, we made it. Oh my goodness, you're like running.
Can I sit?
Beep, beep, beep. Did you go to the bathroom? Oh my goodness.